One of the big tricks of shaitan is perfection. So I was speaking to someone yesterday and they were telling me about how they feel they need to be perfect. And what shaitan does is he tricks you into thinking that you have to be perfect or that you need to do perfection, and then he convinces you that you can't be perfect, and therefore what it does is it leads you to inaction. So to overcome this, we need to realize that we are not perfect and we are not perfect beings, and Allah accepts that we are not perfect, and that's why there's forgiveness there for us. That's why we can actually move forward with our lives even when we make mistakes. And so rather than aiming for perfection, we should be aiming for the better version of ourselves. We should be aiming every day to get a little bit better and for us to develop ourselves and grow ourselves rather than being perfect, inshallah. Hope you have a great day.